Singapore now has its first ocean basin facility that simulates harsh sea conditions. The $107 million facility will be a testing ground for emerging technologies, helping make the oceans more accessible, not only as a sustainable resource for energy, transportation and food, but also as a habitat. Nurong Wei with more.
Making waves in the maritime sector, quite literally. This basin in the National University of Singapore is a testing ground for up-and-coming projects like autonomous vessels and even underwater robots. It helps researchers track their movements and translate them into valuable data. The pool is 60 meters long, or about the length of 5 large buses. Part of it can go down to a depth of 50 meters, simulating harsh sea conditions that ships, as well as offshore platforms like rigs, can potentially face. This can help industry players to test and improve on such engineering technology. Keppel Offshore and Marine is looking to retrofit diesel boats into electric ones. For firms like it, having a large testing facility in Singapore could shorten the time needed for R&D, making it easier for the company to commit to longer-term projects.
Typically, we travel abroad for such a test. With the team here are all present in local project teams as well as testing teams. I think this will be able to bring about a shorter turnaround time for such process.
Speaking at the facility's launch, Senior Minister Teo Chee Hean says Singapore intends to play a key role globally in ocean engineering. He says the sector is evolving rapidly as it searches for ways to tap on the ocean as a sustainable resource.
Innovation in the ocean engineering space will help our companies transform and find opportunities in these new growth areas. We will be building on the multifaceted ocean engineering expertise that Singapore has built up over the past several decades.
The Ocean Basin facility will be operated by the Technology Centre for Offshore and Marine Singapore, or TCOMS. Since it was formed in 2016, it has been contributing its knowledge and expertise, like in data analytics and modeling, to help support national priorities. These include maritime security and the prediction of storm surges.
TCOMS is also well placed to do its part in nurturing our younger generation with the necessary skill sets and expertise to lead in the sector to greater heights. We therefore welcome our stakeholders to make good use of the facility as a platform for training, upskilling, or lifelong learning.
Plans are underway for university and polytechnic students to use the Ocean Basin facility for research and tests.